Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a reminder. You can use a reminders in Google Calendar to track tasks and then reminder repeat every day or until you mark them as done. Reminder are private and cannot be shared with others. Now open your Google Calendar apps. And for create a reminder, you just click at the bottom box and plus icon in here. Click on it, and then click on the reminder. And then in here you can adjust a suggestion, maybe for a work, maybe like this, and then in here you can select a date, time, and frequency in here. A day like this, maybe, yes. And then after this you can click OK in here. And then if you wanna repeat, you just click all day, and then does not repeat, you can click does not repeat in here. You wanna doesn't you wanna repeat every day, every week, every month, every years. In here maybe I wanna every day, every day. And then after this you can click save at the top. The reminder appears in a Google Calendars app. When you mark a reminder as done, it's crossed out. You can also create reminders in a Google Keep and Google Apps. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.